In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the lock cannot be edited issue on Canva so you can get back to designing without any frustration. If you're seeing that a page, element, or section on your Canva design is locked and you can't make changes, it usually means that the page has been restricted from editing, either by you earlier or by the template you're using. The good news is that this is very easy to fix once you know exactly where to look. First, open your design in Canva just like you normally would. Give it a moment to load fully so all the page controls appear. Now look at the page you're trying to edit. At the top of that page, slightly above the design area, you should see a small icon that looks like a page with a pencil or edit symbol on it. This is the key to unlocking your page. Move your mouse over that page area and click directly on the lock or the page with pencil icon that appears above the page. When you click it, Canva will toggle the lock setting for that specific page. If the page was locked before, this action should unlock it, allowing you to edit the contents freely. After you've clicked the icon, try selecting the elements on that page again. For example, click on a text box, an image, or any graphic that was previously uneditable. You should now be able to move it, change the text, adjust colors, or resize it without seeing the lock warning. If you're working with multiple pages, keep in mind that this lock setting is usually applied per page. That means if another page is locked, you'll need to repeat the same action there. Go to that page, look above it for the lock or page with pencil icon, and click it to unlock. Also, if you're collaborating with others on the same design, remember that someone else might have locked the page for consistency or to prevent accidental changes. Before you unlock shared content, it's a good idea to make sure everyone on your team is aware, just to avoid confusion later. Once everything is unlocked and editable, continue working as normal and remember where that icon is, so if the page ever becomes locked again, you can quickly fix it the same way. That's all you need to do to fix the lock cannot be edited issue on Canva by clicking on the lock or page with pencil icon above the page.